Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and pondered over the age and origin of our solar system? The answer to this question lies billions of years in the past, at the dawn of our universe. Welcome to this exploration of the cosmic timeline, where we'll journey through the history of our solar system, breaking down complex concepts into digestible segments. It's a voyage through time and space, untangling the mysteries of our cosmic neighborhood. The solar system, our home in the vast universe, is approximately 4.5 billion years old. It was born from a nebulous cloud of dust and gas, collapsing under its own gravitational pull. This collapse triggered a process known as nuclear fusion, giving birth to our Sun, the heart of our solar system. Around this newborn star, the remaining dust and gas began to coalesce into planets, moons, asteroids, and comets, each following its own orbital path around the Sun. This process, known as planetary formation, is a fascinating dance of physics and chemistry, shaping the diverse celestial bodies we see today. At the center of it all, we have the Sun, a glowing sphere of hot gas, primarily hydrogen and helium. It's the gravitational glue holding our solar system together. The energy it pours out powers life on Earth and dictates the conditions on all other planets. Moving away from the Sun, we encounter the inner planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. These terrestrial planets are small, dense, and rocky. Each has its own unique features, from the craters of Mercury to the volcanoes of Mars. Earth, our home, is the only known planet to harbor life, a testament to its perfect conditions. Beyond the asteroid belt, we meet the outer planets: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These gas giants are enormous spheres of hydrogen and helium, with numerous moons and ring systems. Jupiter, the largest planet, has a magnetic field so strong it's second only to the Sun. In the farthest reaches of our solar system, we find the dwarf planets, including Pluto and the Kuiper Belt, a region teeming with icy bodies. Beyond that lies the Oort cloud, a theoretical sphere of icy debris that is the source of our long-period comets. Each celestial body in our solar system, from the smallest asteroid to the largest gas giant, tells a part of the story of our cosmic origins. They bear the scars of billions of years of evolution, each crater, mountain, and valley a chapter in the grand narrative of the universe. So, what does the future hold for our solar system? In about 5 billion years, our Sun will exhaust its nuclear fuel. It will expand into a red giant, engulfing the inner planets. Eventually, it will shed its outer layers, leaving behind a white dwarf. Our solar system will be a drastically different place, but the story will continue. In conclusion, our solar system, a small speck in the cosmic ocean, is a testament to the power of natural forces. Its age and evolution tell a story of creation and destruction, of change and constancy. It's a story written in the stars, in the planets, in the very fabric of the universe. And so, the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember, you're not just looking at stars. You're looking at a story, a history, a testament to the power and majesty of the cosmos. Thank you for joining this cosmic journey. Until next time, keep looking up and keep wondering.